Hey guys, hope you all are fine, doing great. And in this video, we take a look on how you be able to install the Itop screen recorder on your laptop or PC. Now, in order to download and install, we have to open our Chrome browser. So just open it. Once you open your Chrome browser, and here you have to just type the Itop screen recorder and press enter. Once you type that, here the first website will appear, Itop screen recorder, and here you have to just click on this one, free online screen recorder, or just Itop screen recorder. Okay, for Windows. Here you see, for Windows. We have to download it for the Windows, so we are not using it as a online. And here you have to just click on this free download button. Here it is asking where you want to download this. Uh, we select the download directly and click the save button. Once you click that, here you see our setup is done. Okay, installer setup. And next, directly where we download the setup, just click on this folder icon. Once you click on it, here you see our installer is here. So to install this, just double click on it. It is asking you for the window permission, so just click on yes. And after that, we have to click on this one, install now button. Okay, here itop VPN, we do not need itop VPN, so just click on next. And after that, our installation is starting. And it is also depend on the internet connection, because the once the installer setup is small, it will take time and download the other stuff while it is installing. So at that moment time, you have make sure you have an active internet connection, and it totally depend on the how fast your internet connection is. So it is almost done, just wait for it. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any kind of query, leave a comment. And if you think the video is helpful, then thumbs up. Okay, so just wait for it. It is almost done. Shortcut, you will take it. But right now